Mac. Today, it's been 1,659 days since you pulled me in with those mesmerizing eyes. I remember that day like it was yesterday, a memory perfectly etched in my mind. I knew then, maybe it was those eyes, or the butterflies in my stomach, but whatever it was, I knew that you were someone special and I had one goal, making you mine forever.
Amanda, ever since I was a little boy, I've always been a little different. I never dreamed about becoming a police officer, a doctor, or a firefighter. I always dreamed of being a husband and a father. I knew that as long as I grew up to be those two things, my career and everything else would fall into place.
You are my best friend, my go-to, my source of strength when life gets hard, my protector, a gift for my soul, my everything, and soon enough, my husband.
Half my dream came true on August 20th, 2021, when we were blessed with our perfect little baby boy. And today, the second half is coming true. I'm marrying the love of my life, the most amazing mother, and my best friend.
I've dreamed about my wedding day since I was a little girl, but I couldn't have dreamt of marrying a better man. Not only do I get one of the good ones in you, I'm getting the most perfect, blissfully chaotic, joy-filled family I could have ever imagined, and for that, I will forever be grateful.
We have been blessed with times of immense, immeasurable joy and love, as well as times of darkness and fear. But through it all, our love for each other never faltered. You believed in me when nobody else did. You supported me when I couldn't support myself. You loved me when I was unlovable. And for that and more, I give you my whole heart, now and forever.
You and I, us, our family, was God's plan. Everything has happened exactly the way it was supposed to.
From the first day I met you, and we spent the whole afternoon and most of the night sitting on the couch at the cabin, talking about everything under the sun, I knew that Amanda Carver was someone truly special.
You may have done things differently than the traditional way, but you have given me the best gift in Maverick Lee, and watching you be an amazing father to him has made me fall in love with you more and more every day, and I can't wait to add a few more limbs to our family tree.
As we got to know each other more, I quickly realized I was falling in love with you. I had lived most of my life with something missing inside, and it didn't take long to realize that you were the missing piece.
I promise to love you the way you were meant to be loved. I promise to always be your home, someone who you can run to when life gets tough. I'll always be by your side.
I promise to put you and our family first, to be the best father I can be, and to continue to grow and strive to always be better.
You were my reason back then, all those days ago. My reason now, my reason every day. When I talk to God, I thank Him twice for putting you in my life. You strengthen my weaknesses, bring focus to my wildest dreams.
As long as you're by my side, I have no fear of the unknown. I'm truly the luckiest man alive. Amanda, you saved my life the day you entered it. Nobody knows me like you know me. Nobody understands me like you understand me. Nobody looks at me the way you look at me. Nobody has loved me the way you love me.
I feel excitement in my stomach. The butterflies are still here, and serenity in my heart as the moment you are forever mine gets closer. I love you, Mackenzie Frank Powell, your bride.
Thank you for being in my life. Thank you for the joy you bring me every day. Thank you for answering my Facebook message those years ago. And thank you for saying yes when I asked you to marry me. I can't wait to see what the future holds for us, my love. Your soon-to-be husband, Mac.
invested in me, I pronounce that you are man and wife in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Mac, you may kiss your bride.